as we all know that air have mass and weight, so it have its own pressure. Standard sea level pressure is equal to 760 meter of mercury. Now we will learn about high pressure and low pressure. In the screen we see that a region with some portion water and some portion land. In daytime, land became hotter than water bodies very fast. The air on the land become hot and light and move upwards. This situation we will call low pressure situation. Oppositely, the situation on water bodies is called high pressure situation, as this portion have high air density. So wind will blow to land from water to fill this blank portion. Now come to pressure belts. There are 7 pressure belts around the earth. Number 1 equatorial low pressure belt. Number 2 subtropical high pressure belt in both hemisphere. Number 3 2 subpolar low pressure belt in both hemisphere. Number 4 2 polar high pressure belt in both hemisphere. Now come to equatorial region. The mean temperature of this region remain much high and maximum portion of this area is ocean. So much quantity of water vapor mixed with air and air become lighter. Air moves upward, thus air density became low and a low pressure belt has formed in this area. In case of subtropical region, the air come from tropical region moves downwards in this region, and also air come from polar region moves downwards in this region. Thus air density of this area become high, so a high pressure belt has created in this area. We have denoted the subpolar region with blue color and polar region with yellow color. In case of polar region, the mean temperature of this region remain very low. Air in the polar region generally have very low quantity of water vapor. In case of subpolar region, average temperature generally remain higher than polar region. Thus air become hot and moves upward. Some portion of this goes to subtropical region and some goes to polar region. Thus in subpolar region air density become low and in polar region air density become high. So in subpolar region there is a low pressure belt and in polar region there is a high pressure belt. This is scenario of the whole world. Thank you and please subscribe the channel.